Hello my foodies! Today we will cook a super easy chocolate ice cream recipe. This recipe has only 3 ingredients: heavy cream or whipping cream, condensed milk and cocoa powder. We will need 480 ml of heavy cream, whipped to soft peaks, add a can of 400 ml of condensed milk, and mix until incorporated. Sift 60 grams of cocoa powder to make sure there are no lumps. Add the cocoa powder to the cream and milk mixture. Mix until all ingredients are incorporated. Transfer the mixture to a bowl and freeze for at least 4 hours. You can serve with mini chocolate chips or nuts, but this is totally optional. This is a great recipe and does not require any eggs or an ice cream machine. The result is a smooth, creamy and rich homemade chocolate ice cream. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a sweet day.